Hi Cancer, welcome to the Spiritual Enlightened Weekly Tarot Card reading from 11th to 17th of July. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. It may or may not be resonant to every one of you. Take whatever it resonates and leave the rest behind. So let's start. For the present situation, you have Four of Swords. For the challenge, you have Two of Wands. What to focus on? You have World in reversed. What's in your past? You have Four of Cups. What's your strength? You have Queen of Swords in reversed. What's in your future? You have Tower in reversed. For advice, you have Emperor in reversed. What you need to know, you have King of Cups in reverse. What are the hopes and fears? You have Lovers in reverse. And the final outcome you have in reverse. In bottom of the deck, you have King of Pentacles in reverse. Your situation is Four of Swords. It looks like you are currently need some space to yourself. You are in a resting mode. Treat yourself to some you time. In relationship, it's not the good time to go looking for love. Focus on yourself. Try not to think about it while. Right? Work on your own hobbies and interests. If you are already in relationship, then some time apart isn't a bad idea. You can work things out on your own, right? Your challenge is Two of Wands. Something triggered your path. If you need help with whatever you are working on, now it is the time to look to someone. Making the decision, whoever you want to discuss your issues, be prepared for it. If you know what your choices are, balance your things. The Two of Wands in romance and love has balancing qualities. It will work out in your favor if you are putting in more effort, and balanced relationship is the past anxiety, right? You have to focus. What's your focus is the World in reverse. You have to focus. It could be that someone else is standing in between you and your goals. Sometimes we self-sabotage out of anxiety, right? See, your challenge is Two of Wands. And your present situation is Four of Swords also. You have an anxiety. You sabotage out of anxiety without even realizing it. You are just experiencing a delay. Find the reason and fix it so you can make it the finish line, right? What's in your past is Four of Cups. You are recovering from something that happened in the past that you didn't like. You are healed time while all the wounds. Look the past as a bigger picture and learn from that. Ask others for advice. Try not to cut out or anything, right? You can't solve all your problems by thinking about them, but think about and understand them. Learn from them. Your strength is Queen of Swords in reverse. It might be a good time to ride your emotions and help others people deal with theirs. Don't shy away from anything. You need to face your problems. If something is bothering you, the best thing you can do is to work on your own skills and life. Trust your intuitions. Your future is the Tower in reverse. Yeah, future. Transformation is needed. The Tower comes along to give you the extra push you need to take a difficult leap forward. Take a leap of faith. Deal with your issues in your relationship or in a general life. A transformation on an internal or spiritual level. Releasing long held beliefs or traditions and experiencing a spiritual awakening. Okay. What's for the advice is the Emperor in reverse. Don't allow yourself to walked all over by anyone. Stand your ground and hold your boundaries firm. You might need to self-reflect to see if you have become so controlling with others or not. See, all the cards meaning is repeating by itself. And yeah, what you need to know is the King of Cups in reverse. That even the strongest of us can let our emotions get the better of us. Right? Jealousy, anger, and hatred can overwhelm a person. It shows that the strongest of us can let our emotions get the better of us. Let go of the jealousy, anger, hatred. Right? If you are uncertain of your own feelings, take a break and work it out. What's for the hopes and fears is the Lovers in reverse. Communication may have broken down or the partnership has become cold and detached. It's important to be honest with yourself and your partner and communicate your fears and desires clearly. Lover's card always offers his choice, so make sure decisions from a place of compassion. New doors will opening to you for, right? New doors will open for you if you allow to them. Let go of the past issues, present issues which are carrying burden on over you. What's for the outcome? Nine of Swords in reverse. You might have tough period of your life, but it is only through hardship that we grow as people. Maybe there isn't a lot of choices when it comes to your feelings, emotions. It can change time as we recover. Don't expect regrets, thoughts in your near future. Do not isolate yourself. Calm down yourself and stop overthinking every aspect of your life. Right? So you need to work on these things, your issues, your past. You are holding your past, present, and even in the future also. Let go of that. Let go of a panic, anxiety, whatever you have. Let it be go, and take a leap of faith. Right? So Cancer, that's all for today. Yeah, if you like my reading, if it resonates to you, please subscribe this channel. Bye.